Okay, G8 owners, I had a request for a video at night of these blinkers, and I realized it's not like pitch black and I'm in a neighborhood, but whatever, you can't see anything. Okay, here we go. So from here, looks fairly regular. I don't think there's anything different. You'll notice that on the front and rear angle shots here, you see a clear division. If you're looking directly at the front of the vehicle, you can see only the front part is lit up, and pretty the same for the back. So it looks exactly like stock when lit up. Let me hit the hazards real quick, and we will wrap this up. Okay, again, when you're behind its orientation, you see that only the back part lights up. I'm going to kind of flank it a little bit here. This is pretty much a dead-on view, and you can't really see it in the video, but with the naked eye you can see the outline of the 4 LEDs individually blinking, but from afar you really can't tell a difference, and it's not blatant or obvious. You really have to look for it. So, and here's from the front, and what the hell, I'll just kind of swing along here. Hate those amber front bulbs, I want to get those done. And again, you see the division, kind of where it's split in half there. And that is about it. Check the info for links to these posts on the G8 boards, and thanks to everyone who mentioned this and for doing it, and for everyone who helps contribute to the boards. It's a lot of fun, and it's a great help to everybody. Alright, thanks guys.